I'm here in Delray Beach, Florida, which is voted the most fun town in all of the United States. And we're gonna check out the car scene here. Beautiful 190 SL Benz. That is amazing. Maserati. Porsche 911 Turbo S. Here's an interesting pair. Which one would you rather have, the G-Wagon or the 6 BMW? Traveling by golf cart is popular in Delray Beach. Another awesome G-Wagon. I think what's amazing is that I'm shooting this all in one night. It's not like I've come here on location multiple times. All these cars you've seen in this video are just from this Friday night. Supra. And the Trumpmobile. BMW M4. Porsche 356.